today's video starts right here in our hometown in Utah with this beautiful Mercedes S450. Now, Mercedes was nice enough to send this to us for the last week. We've been driving it around, testing it out, and this is not like any car that I've ever been in before. The sticker price for it is $141,000, and that's because it comes with every little thing. Like, I'm getting in the back seat right now. The kids like this the most because check out these seats. It only has 2 seats in the back. This seat right here will come up and have a footrest for you. And then say you're just sitting in the back. This is so cozy. This is like a pillow. Oh my gosh, this is the most comfortable car. So when you're driving in this thing, I feel like it's even quieter than a Tesla because of the soundproofing that they have in it. Even though it's a gas-powered engine that has more noise to it, you barely hear it because of the soundproofing that they've done in this car. Plus with the headrest, the seat massagers that it has, the seat warmers, this car is legit. Check this out, this is one of my favorite things. You open this up, push this button right here, you've got a refrigerator in the trunk. What car has a refrigerator in the back? Let me show you in the trunk what it looks like. All right, here's the fancy key. Push that button, trunk opens, and here we go. See? This is a legit refrigerator in the back of the car. And I don't know why they have speakers in the trunk. Maybe it helps the overall sound be better. One thing that I want to show you, put the car in reverse. Look at this heads-up display. It's almost like you have a drone that is above you. Like, look, I'm trying to back in. Watch this. There's Hunter, and then there he is. You can see him in that, and you can see him right there. Look how stretched out and funny his legs look. Oh, Hunter, you got some skinny legs, dude. That's there, and when I push on it, watch what it does to the sunroof. Nice and bright and blue, and then I push it again, and it turns like dark blue, like beautiful, like JetBlue Airlines or Virgin America when you fly on it, and they have that blue hue that goes throughout the plane. So just to get this video started off strong, we've had this car for a week and I'm super excited to go to Germany and try it out. Today we're gonna have a long flight to Germany and it's going to give us some incredible experiences thanks to our friends at Mercedes. They're not paying us to make this video, but they are giving us a unique opportunity to fly out there and to have access to a car like this and to the things that we're doing out there. So get ready for travel vlogs, get ready for epic videos about cars, but now we gotta go return this car and go pick up Lincoln and head to the airport. Let's do this. Mr. Lincoln, this is the first time I've introduced him to the vlog of today. So Lincoln, tell us some words of wisdom here.
If you have a sore throat, don't try to talk very much.
Lincoln is super sick right now. And I feel bad because we've been planning this trip out for months. He's been super excited about it to go see Mercedes and go see these cars. And now for the last 3 days straight, he's just laid down and slept every day. So we're gonna take some NyQuil. He's gonna sleep on the plane the whole way there. But when we land, hopefully he'll have enough energy because we got something special. He just said first class. We'll put captions whenever Lincoln talks on there. Okay, go say goodbye to your mama. It's a super warm 50-degree temperature out here, which for Utah this time of year, it's really warm. I don't think it's gonna be so warm in Germany. So just soaking in this sun and blue skies for now, and then it's back to winter. Going through security. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. I was gonna check that, I gotta check that bag. Yeah, the bag with all the tools to cut open stuff.
Really, dude?
Like the battle axe.
Are you serious?
So yeah, that's a problem. All right, so update. Luckily I've got TSA escorting me to the Delta area, super friendly of them. And we gotta check my bag because it's super dangerous. That was not smart of me. And it's a good thing they caught it here because that would not have flown in Paris or Germany if I would have tried to go through with that. So yeah, I've got a couple of knives, pliers, and a tomahawk axe. That does not work. Not my brightest moment, but hey, at least he was super nice and now we're getting it checked. Hey, I got it. We're all checked. And welcome to Matt.
Hey.
All right, what's special about this trip, Matt?
It's my first ever trip out of the country.
How's that passport? Is it
It's good.
Any stamps on it? It's probably all fresh.
like-
See, look at the back of my passport. It's got like all these stickers from around the world.
Mine's never been used.
Woo, look at those clean pages. Are you nervous at all?
Not really. I've got some seasoned vets travel vets to help
Lincoln
me
will show
out.
you
He's
the
already
ropes.
given me tips. He's like, you gotta have headphones, you gotta get a pillow, so ice cream.
Yeah, eat the sundae. So Matt is gonna come. He works for us now, but he's been one of my friends for a long, long time, and he's gonna help film. He has a lot of experience filming. It'll be nice to have somebody help film on the main channel video and everything else, and it's pretty cool that this is literally the first time he's ever been outside of the country in his whole life. And he's flying first class from here to Paris, and then Paris to Stuttgart. Let's finally go see our plane. I just turned on the camera. I didn't mean to do this, but there's a buffalo, and this is where my camera is pointing. Sorry about that. That's super inappropriate. But it's airport art. Okay, traveling tip by Dan. I've traveled for about 7 years. One of the things is, as good as first class food is, or airplane food can possibly be, it's never as good as the food inside of the airport, either at your destination or the place that you're arriving or you're taking off from. This is where I like to go. Cafe Rio. We come here, I get pork burrito, we got chicken quesadilla, we got steak quesadilla over here. And you eat and fill yourself up, and then you don't eat except for the ice cream bar on the plane. That is good. Right, Lincoln? And then once you land, you get some authentic German food, or when we stop in Paris, we get some authentic Parisian food. It just is so much better. Like, there's something about the airport food or the airplane food that's just, it just doesn't sit right. It's been sitting for hours. They heat it up in their weird little microwave. It's just a bit off. I'm just telling, nothing against Delta Airlines or Southwest or United or any of you. It's just a little bit better outside of the airport. There you go, time to eat. Passports are checked, we're heading on. Matt had to go last minute bathroom, smart move, I would say. He's not an experienced traveler, but that's a good move. I'm excited to see his face when he gets in the seat and he lays down the seat. He's a big dude, but he should be comfortable. Delta first class is super cozy. It's work for you, Matt. You cozy?
I think so.
There's your spot right there.
It's gonna be good.
You got a pillow, a blanket, little stuff for you. Lincoln, you good? Need anything? Got your own blanket? You don't trust their down, nice, comfy blankies?
These are amazing.
See that leg room? Oh yeah.
I can't touch anything, so you know that's good.
It's like a private jet, man. The only bad thing is, you have a window seat, but you have no window. Lincoln's over here already playing Switch. So Lincoln and I took NyQuil. We're gonna sleep, hopefully, this entire flight. It's not kicked in yet. I took it with my meal, so give it another 20 minutes. And I'm out. 10-hour flight. I hope to sleep for 9.5 of it. Welcome to France. We made it. How's the flight?
For 7 hours.
You slept for 7 hours? I slept for 5.5 hours. I timed it. I felt pretty good though, but I didn't eat anything on the plane, so I am ready to go get some Parisian croissants before we have our next flight. Let's see if they talk in French first or in English first when they say welcome to France. Do you think it's gonna be English or French? Oh, it's English. Welcome to Paris, Matt. Did you get any sleep?
A little bit.
Is first class as luxurious as you thought it would be?
Actually, yeah.
Look at this place. We got pink over here, blue over here, yellow over here. Fancy. We were in a holding room forever, and now it looks like we're in G33, heading to Stuttgart. I think I'm saying it right. I hope I'm saying it right. This is it though. G33. It's a little bit colder than it was in Utah, but it's a beautiful day. I feel good. I feel refreshed. See how I feel when I get off this flight in a couple hours, but I feel good. We got something big planned for right when we arrive, so we need some energy, and I feel like I've got it. We made it to Stuttgart, a place I never thought I'd be before, but we're here. Lincoln is excited. Yes, he needs some water. Let's see what the exit looks like. We should have our friend Miriam from Mercedes waiting for us. Look at this golden car. There's our ride. All right, we got picked up in a super fancy Mercedes. Shouldn't be surprised, we're here with Mercedes-Benz. We're going to do one thing that's about 10 minutes away from the airport. It's gonna be super cool. This is the part where I end this part of the vlog until after we go to the special place. We're gonna make a special video just about the place that we're going right now. But this little car right here, I need to learn more about how old it is and what it is, but this is our ride. Check this out. I feel like we're in like some old James Bond movie. Look at this car. Isn't that cool? All right, so Lincoln's got some water here. He's gonna make his voice sound better. Right now, we are at Mercedes headquarters in Stuttgart. So now I will see you in a few minutes and we're gonna film another video. Tell me about this car. This is a very old car. It smells like an old car.
It's an old car. It's 1969.
1969?
1969. It's an old
What?
S-Class from 1969.
Okay, so the car that we started this vlog in was an S4330 back in Utah. Now we are in an S-Class. Does this even have a number? Or is it just S-Class?
Oh, it's called VW 108, one of the first S-Classes.
What? Did we get a ride of this thing? What are some things that are unique to this car that maybe back in the day were luxury that other cars didn't have?
The one thing that makes this car special is it has a manual transmission, but it has an automatic sunroof. So that was one of the first cars who had an automatic sunroof.
Okay, that's pretty special. This is pretty neat to be in this car right now. So right now, it is time to get some sleep for Mr. Lincoln. We just filmed a video that will go up probably tomorrow or in the next couple of days. That was pretty cool. The only sneak peek I will tell you is that I may have touched the most expensive car in the world. I did touch it. Lincoln was a trooper. He's had a cold for a few days. Right now it's 6 p.m. We're gonna get him to bed. We start at 8:30 in the morning tomorrow. So hopefully by tomorrow, his voice is feeling okay and he's feeling okay because we're gonna film an awesome video. So let's check out our suite, 557. Oh, nice bathroom. There you go, buddy. There's your bed. You want this bed? You just staked this bed. This one's yours. You probably want to take your backpack off before you go to sleep.
Yeah.
Should we at least see the view? Oh, that is cool. Look at that Mercedes logo on top of that building over there. These doors look tiny. Matt, go stand by the door. Does your head hit the... Oh, you're so close.
I'm a giant person.
You're not that much taller than me, but... So we just had dinner and we got water bottles to go with us. Still water. People were looking at us funny. I think people probably leave with like wine bottles. We just want water in our room because we're dehydrated. So food was great, French food. Today was awesome. Tomorrow's gonna be an amazing day. I hope you like the travel day. I don't vlog the travel days all that often, but I just thought today you guys would like to see some of it. So started in Utah with the Mercedes and it ends in Stuttgart, Germany, the headquarters of Mercedes, with some bottled water. So see you guys tomorrow.